Hi everyone, I am Dr. Niharika Malhotra from Agra. Today I am going to tell you a little bit about endometriosis. Endometriosis is a presence of endometrial glands and stroma outside the uterine cavity, and because of this there is infertility, chronic pain, menstrual irregularities and intermenstrual spotting or bleeding. Endometriosis is a progressive condition and it is physically and mentally debilitating for any patient. It can affect any ethnicity and it is seen that 1 in 10 women suffer from endometriosis. It is very common and we see now that 5 to 10% of women in reproductive age group have endometriosis. 50% of infertile women will have endometriosis. Even in adolescents, we now see there is an increased incidence of almost 5% of adolescent girls suffering from endometriosis and mostly present to the doctor with chronic pelvic pain. The most common symptoms for endometriosis is chronic pelvic pain, pain during intercourse, intermenstrual spotting or menstrual irregularities, and then later on infertility, pain during urination. So we know that endometriosis is progressive and long-term endometriosis can lead to severe disease and it might also affect the mental health of a woman. Therefore, awareness regarding endometriosis is very important. And we know that it presents with severe dysmenorrhea, deep dysmenorrhea, chronic pain, infertility, fatigue and pain during defecation and urination. So now what causes this endometriosis? Completely we do not understand what causes endometriosis, but we know that the menstrual blood which has to come out during the menses, instead of coming out, travels back to the fallopian tubes and the ovary and then starts getting stuck in all over in the abdomen. And with each menstrual period, endometriosis is likely to increase. And this theory is known as retrograde menstruation. The health risks related to endometriosis are mostly psychosocial consequences like anxiety, depression, chronic fatigue, and they also decrease the quality of a woman's life. Therefore, to diagnose endometriosis early and provide adequate treatment, timely intervention is very important. So, diagnosis of endometriosis. First of all, when we want to diagnose endometriosis, a proper clinical history must be taken, a physical examination should be done, and a pelvic ultrasound. Common clues which tell us that this patient might suffer from endometriosis is when we do a pelvic ultrasound or a transvaginal ultrasound, patient might feel pain, or that also is seen presence of tenderness during a physical examination. Laparoscopy is one of the gold standard for diagnosis and also for treatment. Once you are diagnosed with endometriosis, there can be medical and surgical options. We can provide you with pain relief medications, hormonal treatments which will help control the disease, and also some injections. Surgeries can also be done in severe cases and in infertility cases where there are other problems. Delay in diagnosis of endometriosis will affect the quality of life. You have to understand that endometriosis should be treated as a chronic disease and it will require lifelong management.